Hello guys, this video is especially for the beginners who want to learn how to do sketching like a professional. So, all the elements that you need, everything, where to get started from, everything is going to be explained in this video. So, first of all, I'm going to show you the drawing pencils. Okay, we're going to talk about the drawing pencils. So, they basically go from light to dark. So 2H, H, F, it gets darker, but the H ones are very light, and then B is also light. 2B is a bit good. So first of all, I'm gonna try H. So look, this is very light, and I use it just to sketch something very in a raw way. And then B, something I use B as well to sketch something in very raw, okay? And then to make it look very professional, I use pencils like 2B. So here is 2B. 2B is one of my favorite. I don't know why. It is not that dark, but it actually is a great one for me. Then we got 3B. I think I just used the 2B, 4B, 6B, 8B the most. So if you use normal pencils for sketching, then I'm so sorry, you're doing it very wrong, because you have to get started with the drawing pencils because they are way more better and way more different from the normal pencils. Normal pencils are only used for studies and all, okay? So please use drawing pencils for sketching. And then we got 8B, the darkest of all. It's actually the darkest and I use it a lot. 8B is used a lot when in the finishing of sketching. When the sketching is about to be finished, I use it for like finishing. Okay, see the difference. Okay, and now we have charcoal pencils. So first of all, I'm going to show you this charcoal pencil, which is very not soft. I don't find it soft at all, but it says it's soft. So you better see before getting charcoal pencils, because this one is not that dark. I mean, not that hard, soft. This one is soft actually. If you touch it, you're gonna know by the touch that how soft is that and this and blah blah. Okay, so and then we got charcoal pieces, which are charcoal sticks. Yep, the raw charcoal sticks, and these break very easily, so you better use them very carefully. So here is the example of charcoals. So when you actually touch it, it just vanished. Okay, so you better not touch it in the starting and give it some time. Yep, don't touch it, give it time. Okay, I didn't even have a watch. Damn. Okay, woodless charcoal pencils are also my favorite, but these are a bit expensive for beginner level, but these are actually easy to work with. Okay, these also break very easily, but these are actually easy to work with. To me, I feel like they're less messy, because charcoal sticks are very messy, but these are not really messy, so I actually love using them. Yeah, and then we have these white charcoal pencils, which I don't really use that much. Only if you want to add incredible detailing, then use them. But I use eraser works all the time. You can use the tiny one, like the charcoal ones, anything that you want, but white charcoal pencils are I just don't use them. Okay, then a scale. If you're doing a sketching, then forget about the scale. We are not gonna use the scale. We're gonna use our own hands to make all the shapes and everything. Okay, see, you just have to use the hands and get used to it. Guys, I will be uploading a video on how to make the shapes very easily, very smoothly without the scale. Just comment down below if I should or not, because that will help you guys all. These are some examples what I have done without a scale. These all shapes that I made are without a scale, and this was basically a assignment for my teacher, and this actually turned out very nice. And now we're going to talk about the most important shading things. Okay, this is basically how you add details to your sketch. A raw sketch, how do you do details? We have pencil, blending, hitching, cross hitching, and then stipping. Okay guys, so we have all these 5, and I have done this shading thing. You guys should do it in your sketchbook as well for the better practice. So here I am gonna show you the difference. This is pencil. Okay, pencil is not gonna be touched, it's just pencil. Then we got blending, basically with blending you do this, and it's a bit messy, but I actually love blending. You can blend with tissues or anything like that, but I blend with hands because I love to blend with hands. Okay, then we got hitching. Okay, hitching is actually not bad. Hitching actually works nicely. I like to do hitching. Then we got cross hitching. Cross hitching is a bit complicated, but it's actually good to work. Yeah, like that. Yep, work like that, and then it goes very smooth. I like it. It's good. Yep. Then we got stipping. Okay, guys, stipping is the hardest one. Like, it takes a lot of time, and I basically don't do stipping, but artists who do. Stipping actually turns out very beautifully if you are good at it. So in this sketch, the background is cross hitching. So this is an example of my work. And this inside is cross hitching, only one side, and the other sides are just blending. Okay, so if you guys want me to upload a very detailed video of how to do the inner details in a sketch, in a raw sketch, then please comment down below and I'll be uploading that as well, and I will be uploading it in my next part. Okay, for now, that's it. And I hope you guys learned a lot of things, because this is how I got started with the sketching and all. Okay, so thank you so much for watching the video, and I will be uploading more to help you guys do better with the sketching. See you in the next vlog.